Welcome to another audio episode of Environmental Conscience, the education channel regarding our environmental problems and how to solve them. If you want to get notified when new audio lessons are published, please click the subscribe button. In this lecture, we are talking about the pros and cons of following fashion trends. You can also find the related article to the lecture in the video description if you want to study this topic in more detail. Many people around the world follow fashion trends. In fact, the buying behavior of many people greatly follows latest fashion trends that are set by designers or celebrities. However, while there are some advantages of following fashion trends, there might also be potential issues related to this concept. In this article, the pros and cons of following fashion trends are discussed. Advantages of following fashion trends. Following fashion trends can make you more popular. One advantage of following fashion trends is that it can make you more popular. In fact, for many people in our society, fashion is quite important to express themselves and also to just look good. Hence, if you are currently rather unpopular in school or also as a grown-up, chances are that you could improve your looks and therefore also your level of popularity by following the latest fashion trends. Your peers may envy you. In general, if you follow the latest fashion trends, chances are that also your friends will envy you due to that. In fact, many people would love to look good and learn how to dress. However, many people simply don't know how to do that. Thus, you can become a real trendsetter among your peers, which may further improve your overall reputation since your friends will likely want to be like you. Following fashion trends can be fun. Another benefit of following fashion trends is that it can also be quite a lot of fun. In fact, many people love shopping and like to try various different styles. Thus, if you are one of those shopping victims, chances are that you will also love to follow the latest shopping trends since it will make your hobby even more interesting. Following shopping trends can give you a challenge. Fashion trends rapidly change over time. In fact, what had been popular in the past will likely no longer be popular in the near future and therefore, it can also be regarded as a challenge to follow the latest fashion trends. Hence, if you are a person who loves to develop and to adapt to different styles, following the latest shopping trends may also help you in this regard. Can make you more confident. You may also become much more confident by following fashion trends. In fact, fashion is a big part of our society, and if you don't know how to dress and how to present yourself, you may not have the same chances in life compared to someone who knows how to present himself or herself in the best possible manner. In fact, if you dress in line with the latest trends, chances are that you will become much more confident since people will treat you with more respect and your overall level of acceptance in our society may increase as well. People may get a sense of identity by following fashion trends. Many people also feel quite lost in life. This is often due to the fact that the world is changing so rapidly and people can't process all the new information around them. However, fashion can give those people a sense of identity which can help to overcome self-doubt or identity issues. In fact, shopping can also be a great way to mitigate your stress level and to reload your batteries for stressful tasks yet to come in the future. Can help you to dress like your idols. Many people also want to dress like their idols. In fact, celebrities often set the latest fashion trends and especially young people want to look and feel like their idols. Consequently, by following latest fashion trends, you can not only look good, you may also be better able to identify with your idols. May be helpful to find a partner. Another upside of following fashion trends is that it might also be quite helpful to find a partner. In fact, many people in our society struggle to find a significant other, and this can also be due to the fact that those people often don't know how to dress in order to look stylish. Thus, if you currently struggle to find a partner, you may also want to follow the latest fashion trends in order to become more attractive. Plenty of fashion communities out there. Fashion is not only a thing that you do for yourself. In fact, fashion is quite important for billions of people on our planet, and if you follow the latest fashion trends, chances are that you will also be able to join a fashion community where you can share your latest fashion ideas and can further improve your look by benefiting from the style tips of other members of the fashion community. You can make many new friends. In fact, fashion is a topic that connects people from everywhere. When you go shopping on a regular basis, you will automatically speak to many salesmen and can connect those people in the long run. Moreover, when you go shopping with your friends, you will naturally meet new people in stores and can therefore expand your circle of friends over time. Thus, shopping can also be a great way to socialize. Following fashion trends may improve your job opportunities. Looking good can help you in various parts of life. In fact, if you follow the latest fashion trends, you will be more likely to find a good job. Additionally, you may even be able to make a full-time income by blogging or starting a YouTube channel around fashion topics. In fact, there are many fashion bloggers out there who make a six-figure income from their passion, and if you are the person who is willing to work really hard, this might be a serious alternative career path for you. Can make shopping easier. Following current fashion trends can also make your shopping trip much easier. In fact, if you already know what's trendy and what's not, chances are that you will have a quite easy time to dress in line with those trends without having to ask a salesperson who might not know anything about fashion at all. Disadvantages of following fashion trends. Following fashion trends can be costly. Aside from the many advantages of following fashion trends, there are also some issues related to this concept. In fact, one problem with following fashion trends is that it can simply be quite costly. If you want to follow latest fashion trends, you will always buy new stuff since your old clothes will become outdated pretty soon. In turn, you will have to spend plenty of money on your clothes and you have to evaluate for yourself whether fashion is worth it for you to spend so much money or not. You will have to buy new clothes quite often. If you want to follow latest fashion trends, you will also have to spend plenty of time on your fashion. In fact, since trends change so fast, you will always have to adjust your style, and this can feel like real work over time. Bad for our environment. Another disadvantage of following fashion trends is that it can be quite harmful to our environment. In fact, every material item that has to be produced implies serious pollution and often also contributes to global warming. Moreover, excessive consumption also leads to significant resource depletion. Since following fashion trends also implies buying many clothes that are only used for a rather short period of time, it can contribute to all of those environmental issues. Hence, if you want to protect our planet, following latest fashion trends may also not be the way to go for you. Your happiness should not depend on your style. In general, in order to stay happy in the long run, your level of happiness should not depend too much on your appearance. In fact, our beauty will fade over time, and if you base your happiness solely on your visual appearance, chances are that you will have a quite hard time once you lose your looks. May lead to shallow values in our society. In general, fashion trends may lead to rather shallow social values. If people just care about their visual appearance and don't care too much about inner values anymore, chances are that this may lead to a state where people become quite self-centered and may lose empathy for each other. Thus, following fashion trends may also be problematic from a social cohesion perspective. Time could be better spent on other hobbies. Opponents of fashion trends also often claim that the time people spend on fashion could be much better spent on other things. In fact, shopping does not provide too much value for our society in general, and people may want to use their time for more important things instead, for example to volunteer in social welfare projects. Following fashion trends can make you look weird. While many fashion trends can make you look better, some fashion trends are just weird. In fact, if you look at the past and have a look on how people dressed in former decades, you will soon realize that not every fashion trend leads to good looks. Hence, you should keep some sense of critical thinking regarding fashion trends in order to decide whether those fashion trends really make you look better or not. May lead to financial trouble. Another issue with following fashion trends is that you may also get into financial trouble. In fact, Many people are in debt right now since they don't know how to spend their money in a sensible manner, and also since they buy too many clothes. Consequently, if you are currently not able to afford following fashion trends in a financially healthy manner, you should refrain from it in order to keep you out of any trouble. You may lose your own character by following fashion trends. Many people also lose their own character by following fashion trends. In fact, if you are a strong character yourself, you will not have to rely on fashion trends too much and set your own fashion trend instead. Following fashion trends can lead to anorexia. Especially young people are often at great risk to suffer from anorexia when they follow latest fashion trends. In fact, most fashion trends are meant for women who are quite skinny. Thus, if you want to follow your idols, you may also have to lose plenty of weight, which can lead to serious anorexia in the long run. Fashion trends are not always comfortable. Beauty knows no pain. This is also quite true when it comes to following latest fashion trends. In fact, many clothes that are in line with latest fashion trends are quite uncomfortable, and you may have to suffer quite a lot over time if you really want to follow those trends. Should you follow fashion trends? We can conclude from the previous discussion that there are many advantages and disadvantages of following latest fashion trends. In the end, you have to evaluate all the pros and cons of following fashion trends by yourself in order to make a profound decision in this regard. If you like the audio lesson, please give a thumbs up. Moreover, please comment if you have any questions regarding this lecture. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel in order to get notified when future audio lessons are published.